Have you ever noticed how some businesses grab your attention before you even step inside? That's the power of well-crafted signage. And at iDesign Advertising, that's what we deliver every single day. We specialize in high-quality, durable signage that makes brands stand out across Dubai. From retail stores and hospitals to event advertising setups, our mission is simple: exceed your brand expectations. Our process is fast, reliable, and built around one goal: getting your signage done right and installed on time. Because in today's competitive market, your signage isn't just decoration, it's your first impression, and we make sure it's unforgettable. So if you're ready to take your brand visibility to the next level, let's connect. iDesign Advertising, bringing your brand to life, one sign at a time.